I tried Stack Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded Stack Wallet, I was curious. The name sounded simple, but could it really stack up against the competition? After using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Stack Wallet is one of the most privacy-focused and transparent wallets I ever tested. On day 1, setup was a breeze. Stack Wallet is open source, meaning anyone can inspect its code for security. No email, no kick, no hidden data collection, just pure crypto freedom. Most people get this wrong, but true open source wallets like Stack put you in control, not the company. By day 2, I was managing Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Monero all from one app. Yes, even Monero, one of the most private coin in the world. That's rare. Transactions were smooth, and every detail was transparent. You can save fees, mempool data, and even customize your transaction settings. Midweek, I tried out its multi-account feature, which allows you to separate funds easily, one for daily spending, one for savings, and one for experiments. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference in how organized your crypto life feels. By day 6, I tested recovery options, and this part blew me away. Stack gives you full control of your seed phrase and provides an encrypted backup if you choose to store it locally. No cloud dependency, no hidden servers, everything happens on your device. After 7 days, here's the shocking truth. Stack Wallet isn't built for hype or looks, it's built for freedom and privacy. It's perfect for anyone who values security and control over flashy features. If you've ever worried about who really holds your crypto, Stack Wallet might be the answer. It's open, honest, and refreshingly user-first, a reminder that crypto was always meant to empower the individual.